This faceless YouTube channel receives up to 5.7 million views per month, just by creating and uploading short video. And the best part is it's all done by artificial intelligence. Even the title, description, tags, and hashtags were generated with AI. Here's a sample. As you can see that there is no such value in it, but it's funny, relatable, and shareable content. Now I'm going to show you how I created 500 YouTube shorts absolutely for free. I will use 2 different AI tools to leverage the power of AI and make this production process a little bit automated. And of course, I will also use the Canva as a video editor. So the first AI tool is ChatGPT. Simply go to ChatGPT. Now create me 500 facts similar to this, each with 2 parts. Arrange theme into a table, part 1 in the first column and part 2 in second column. Part 1, the best girls are always. Part 2, going to be most difficult. Now press enter and wait for it to execute. If for some reason it doesn't generate 500 quotes in one time, you can split it into a batch of 30 to 50 quotes. Once it's all done, simply copy that table. Now open Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, press Ctrl+V to paste the table. Now that we have a complete database of quotes arranged in a table, we can move on to second AI tool, which is Canva. Go to Google and type Canva. Open the first link, sign up on this website with a free account. Now from the Home tab, search for mobile video. Select one of these templates and click on Customize this template. Now from the left side, make sure you're on the Design tab. And in the search box, type quotes. Select any video of your choice. Now some videos come with a sound, so you need to click on the speaker icon and mute the video. Also click on the text and delete it. At the bottom is your video timeline. If there are multiple videos in the timeline, you can just select and delete them by click on Delete Page. Now we are going to create a custom template for our shorts. I will create only one template and then import the Excel file to automate the process for the rest of the shorts. To start creating the template, first check if the video is shorter. You can drag it from its right edge to increase the duration. Now click on Text tab from the left side. Click on Add a text box. Type something like Fun Fact or Life Facts. Change the font style from top bar and set the size. Select your text and change its color from here. Place it somewhere at the top by dragging it. Now click on Effects in the Style section. You could also choose different text styles from here, but for now set a background for the text and change its color. Also add some roundness to make it look clean. Now click on Animate button and select Fade Style. Now click on the icon to create a duplicate of this text box and drag it down into the center. Change its animation to bounce, or choose the one you like. Change the text color to white with a black background. Open your Excel sheet and copy the first part of your quote and paste it into this text box. Now create another duplicate of this box and drag it down a little bit. Copy the second part of the quote and paste it here. Now here we need to set the duration of first part as 5 seconds. So right-click on the first part of the quote and click on Show Timing. It will open up the text bar on the timeline. Drag it from the right edge to adjust it to 5 seconds. Now click on the second part of the quote to select the text box and adjust its duration from the left and right edge. Now move the video from right edge to max with the text duration. Lastly, move both text boxes to the center of the screen. Click on Edit Video button and increase the vignette to 100. This will create a center focus on the viewers. Our video template is ready. We can now automate the process of inserting the quotes. Click on Ads from the left sidebar, and in the search box type Bold Create. Click on this icon. Click on Enter Data manually. A pop-up will open with a table. Click on Clear Table at the bottom left. Now copy first 50 rows from the Excel table along with the column titles such as Part 1 and Part 2 and paste them here. Now click on Done button. Now we want to connect Part 1 and Part 2 text boxes with the table data, which is very simple. Just move the second part text box down below and right-click on the first part. Go to Connect Data and select Part 1. Now right-click on the second text box and select as Part 2. Once done, move the second part text box back to the center. To make sure there are no errors, you should see these check marks. Now click on Continue button and then click on Generate Pages. And here are your shorts, which are created automatically. The only problem right now is that all the video backgrounds are same. But you can easily click on each individual video and change the background. You don't have to set different backgrounds for all videos. You can simply pick up 5 to 10 different videos which you can shuffle between all these short. Now the last part is to add background music. First, go to chazik.com. This is a best website for royalty-free music for YouTube and social media, free to use even commercially. Now choose the mod that matches your video and sort it by popular and the duration between 0 to 1 minute. Now find a best one and download it. Then go to Canva and Uploads from the left sidebar and click on the Upload Files button. Select your music file and import it. From here, simply drag and drop it below the video clip in the timeline. So this is how you can generate hundreds of YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, as well as TikToks automatically. You don't need a professional video editing software. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you are new here, I upload complete tutorials of AI tools and how to use the command prompt in a creative way along with custom programming to get your job done easily. Peace.